Kristen, how you going? Hope things are well on this Monday. So, what we're going to do is just do a quick little practice of some stuff. Quick bit of making. So, can you clear up whatever's on the screen? Just delete anything. So, open up a new file and delete anything that's there. And then you click on the background and you hit Tab. And this box will come up and you go to the black area and you click on Geometry. And then click again, standard left mouse click, and that'll drop down what's called a geo. Let's do that same thing again. So we go Tab, and we click on Camera, still in the black area, and you drop that one there. You hit Tab again, and this time we find, still in the same column, Light. So you can stop this video at any time, go back, but the idea is that you learn from what I'm doing, you copy it, and then you turn off the video and you make this yourself a few times. So Geo, Camera, Light, then we'll hit Tab again, and we'll go to the purple ones now, and we'll go down to Render, which should be in the third column down the bottom, R-E-N-D-E-R, and great. So let's make one more. We'll get Tab again, or click on Tab again, and we'll go to the green, we'll get a chop, and we'll go down to an LFO. So that should be in the third one down the bottom. Click on that, and I'll put that there. So now what we've got is, and I'm using the middle mouse to scroll in and out, we've got a geo here. Inside that is the shape, and that shape is our torus, or a donut. Now, what's going on is, we've got this shape and it's kind of sitting inside the brain of the computer. But to look at it, we need a camera and a light, just like the real world. You know, the camera might be your eyes, but you still need light. It's like, you know, dark room, you turn on the light and you use your eyes to see that floating donut. Happens to me every day. Okay, so, but if you want to take a picture and print it out, that's what the render is for. Okay, so we'll be able to see that in a second. Now, with our LFO, what this is doing is just going up to 1 and back to -1, up to 1. You can set that to go between any two numbers. It could go up to 10 and down to -3, anything like that. But it's a moving thing that we're going to use. But what it's doing is, it's doing the same thing as your hand when you move the earth around in front of the Connect. So, because it's complicated to set up a Connect, I'm just using an LFO. Now, if I click on that and I hit A, it makes it active. It means that I can connect that to something. And I want to connect it to the geo. So I click on the geo, and this box comes up here with all the information for our geo. If it doesn't, you hit P. So P will take it away or bring it back. And we're interested in translate here, because translating will make it move. In this box here, that's our x-axis, so that's left and right. Now if I connect it to this one, it'll make it move left and right. If I connect it to the y-axis here, it'll move it up and down. And if I move it, if I connect it to the z, it'll go further away and close. So let's just do the x for the moment. So I'll connect this to our x and go, great. So that's what's happening, because what we do is we connect the information from our hand onto the geo exactly the same way as this. And that's how we're moving the earth around in space. So we're just using an LFO because it's easier than a Connect. So can you run through this? Just keep repeating the video until you're happy with it, until you understand. Stop it, do what you need to do, but just get to the point where you can make this. You can make a geo, camera, light, and a render, then an LFO, and connect the LFO to the geo. Alright, good work. Cheers.